So I have all the life insurance stuff ready for you to look at. I didn't just want to send a video with some random numbers without thoroughly explaining everything. So the first question is, what are you trying to do with your life insurance? So there's a lot of different things that you can do with your life insurance program. Obviously, the least that you're going to want to do is to cover your final expenses. But what many people do is they also take all their debts and they'll add that amount to their life insurance. So you're talking about credit card debt, student loan debt, mortgage loans debt, as well as medical and tax debt. Also, what they'll do is they'll include their kids' education, whether that be private school or college. They'll include that in their life insurance should they pass at an early age. And probably the most important, especially if you have a young family, is to provide at least 60% of your yearly income for a certain amount of years should you pass, especially if you're the breadwinner of your family. So naturally you're asking, how much coverage do I really need? And it's simple. Just take those couple of different things that I just mentioned that you can do with your life insurance program and simply ask, if I was to die today, how much coverage do I need to leave my family? So these are the numbers that I have worked up for you. The numbers on the left is the amount of life insurance. The middle column is if you were to do a 30-year term, and the far right is if you were to do a 20-year term. And all that is monthly premiums. All of our term policies come with a convertible option, which simply means halfway through your term, at any point, you can convert some or the entire face amount of your term policy into whole life. All of our life insurance products are guaranteed. We don't do any increasing or decreasing terms. We don't do anything interest sensitive to the stock market. What you pay now is what you'll pay forever, and your face amount to your life insurance policy will never change. With this is included a waiver of premium option, which simply means that should you become disabled, the insurance company will pay your monthly premiums until you're able to go back to work or until you retire. Another option that's added to this plan is the accelerated death benefit option. What this means is that if you're diagnosed with a terminally ill disease and are only given a few months to live, the insurance company will give you a portion of the life insurance amount to go do certain things like hit bucket list items such as Disney World, Niagara Falls, or other things that you might wish to do before you pass. There are a few other options available to you that are not included in this plan. The first one is the child term rider. This covers all insurable children under the age of 19, even the ones that are unborn, until their age 25 at $20,000 each. At 25, they have the option to pick up the policy or let it lapse. This is only available for about $7 to $8 additional a month. The next option is the spouse term rider, and all this simply means is that you are adding a term policy for your spouse should something happen to them. These amounts will vary, just like your policy, and they come with 20-year or 10-year term options. Last but not least, I just want to say thank you for allowing me to serve you and your family's life insurance needs. Let me know if I can be of any more assistance. Thank you.